Simulation plays a crucial role in predicting and preventing potential failures before printing, thereby enhancing the overall efficiency and success of metal printing processes. Recognizing this importance, Magix 28 introduces a basic simulation module accessible to all users. This module focuses on mechanical simulation, enabling users to visualize deformation and displacements effectively. The simulation process begins with defining the material settings. Default profiles are available for the most common materials, but you can also customize the settings to match the specific powder used in your printer. Select the appropriate settings and specify the voxel size required for estimation. Once the voxels are estimated, set the correct folder path to store your results and initiate the simulation. The Job Manager interface allows you to monitor the progress of various simulations in the queue. Once completed, job details will be displayed on the right side of the interface. The results can be accessed from the Job Manager in Magix. In Magix, the results are color-coded to show the displacement on the part and the supports for each layer. You have the option to analyze the part and the support individually. A key advantage is the ability to see the deformation that occurs when the support is removed. This enables you to address commonly overlooked details and plan accordingly. The process is evaluated both with and without heat treatment, allowing you to adapt the supports early on to prevent significant print failures. By offering these insights, Magix 28 helps users identify and resolve potential issues early in the design process, leading to more reliable and accurate metal printing outcomes. For more Magix tutorials, visit the Materialise Academy.